need reliable eye and face protection without overspending. In this video, we're ranking 7 affordable welding masks that balance safety, comfort, and value for different users and budgets. Updated purchase links are in the description, so stay until the end to find the right one for your setup. Starting our ranking at number 7 is the Jackson Safety Rebel, a very different option from the traditional hard-shell welding helmet. Instead of bulky headgear, it combines a compact auto-darkening mask with a fire-resistant hood that covers the head, neck, and shoulders, making it particularly useful when sparks and hot debris can come from awkward angles. Its lightweight design also helps reduce neck strain during longer sessions, and because it fits beneath most hard hats without special adapters, it is a practical choice for construction crews, maintenance workers, and anyone welding in tight spaces. The digital controls let you adjust the shade between 5 and 12 so you can move between cutting, grinding, and different welding processes without changing equipment. True Color technology provides a more natural view of the workpiece, helping you follow the weld pool and position the torch with greater confidence. You also get a wraparound face shield for extra coverage and a replaceable battery rated for up to 1,300 hours. At around $167, it is not the cheapest entry in this list, and some users may prefer the rigid feel of a conventional helmet. Still, its combination of mobility, broad coverage, and hard hat compatibility earns the Jackson Safety Rebel 7th place, especially for welders who regularly work in confined or demanding environments. If you're enjoying the video, subscribe. We post similar content every day. Moving into 6th place, we have the Arc Captain X Space, a budget-friendly welding helmet that gives you a surprisingly open view of the job without pushing the price beyond $50. The large front lens is the main attraction here because it makes it easier to see your workpiece, check your positioning, and follow longer welds without constantly turning your head. That can be especially helpful for beginners who are still developing steady torch control, as well as hobbyists working on gates, furniture, car repairs, or weekend fabrication projects. Its auto-darkening system reacts when the arc starts, so you can keep both hands focused on the task instead of repeatedly lifting and lowering the helmet. External controls also make quick adjustments more convenient, while the separate weld, cut, and grind settings let you move between different jobs without changing protective gear. The True Color lens provides a more natural view than the heavy green tint found in many older masks, helping you see the joint and surrounding metal more clearly. Its lightweight shell should also feel more manageable during longer garage sessions. It may not offer the premium headgear or rugged finish expected from a professional helmet used every day, but at around $49.98, the Arc Captain X Space delivers the visibility, flexibility, and everyday convenience most casual welders actually need, which makes it a strong value choice for 6th place. Taking the 5th spot is the Lady Panicki Welding Mask, an unconventional option aimed at occasional users who want basic face coverage without wearing a heavy full-size helmet. At just $15.38, it is especially appealing for quick repairs, light cutting work, small garage projects, or anyone who needs an inexpensive backup mask. The wide goggle-style lens gives you a generous field of view, making it easier to see the work area and maintain awareness of what is happening around you. Its anti-glare and ultraviolet protection are designed to reduce exposure during appropriate tasks, while the anti-fog design helps keep your vision clearer when heat begins to build. The lower section covers the nose, mouth, and chin, and the ventilation openings should make it feel less enclosed than a traditional welding hood. It is also extremely light, so it can be more comfortable for short jobs or work in confined areas where a bulky helmet becomes awkward. However, this is a very basic mask, and it would not be my first choice for frequent professional welding or high-intensity work. You should also confirm that its shade rating is suitable for the exact process and amperage you plan to use. Still, for casual cutting, dusty workshop tasks, and occasional projects on a very limited budget, this Lady Panicki mask earns 5th place by offering broad coverage, portability, and useful visibility at a remarkably low price. At number 4, the Top DC welding helmet keeps things simple, and that is exactly why it may appeal to beginners, occasional users, or anyone who wants a dependable backup without spending much. Priced at around $19.99, this is a traditional passive helmet with a flip-up front lens, so there are no batteries, sensors, or electronic settings to worry about. You simply lower the helmet before striking the arc, and the fixed lens provides the darkened view needed for the job. The flip-up design is useful when you need to inspect your weld, reposition material, or handle small adjustments without removing the entire helmet every time. Its full-face shell also offers broader coverage than compact goggles, helping shield the face from sparks, spatter, and workshop debris. The adjustable headgear allows you to improve the fit, which matters more than it sounds when you are wearing a helmet through several short welding sessions. This model makes the most sense for straightforward stick welding, basic repairs, farm work, and learning environments where simplicity is more important than advanced controls. The viewing window is smaller than what you get with modern auto-darkening helmets, and manually lifting the visor can slow down repetitive work. Even so, the Top DC earns 4th place because it offers uncomplicated protection, easy operation, and excellent affordability for users who only weld occasionally or need a no-fuss spare helmet. Remember that all the links are in the description. You can compare prices and read customer reviews. Reaching number 3, we have the Miller Classic Series, a helmet made for welders who would rather pay for dependable performance than a long list of complicated extras. Its clear light lens technology gives you a brighter, more natural view of the work area, which makes it easier to identify the joint, watch the puddle, and catch small mistakes before they become expensive repairs. The auto-darkening lens responds when the arc begins, allowing you to maintain your position and keep both hands steady instead of lifting the helmet between every weld. That smoother workflow is especially useful when practicing beads, joining several pieces, or handling repetitive fabrication work. The shell provides full face and neck coverage while keeping the design straightforward, and its adjustable headgear helps distribute the weight more comfortably during longer sessions. It is a sensible option for students, home fabricators, maintenance work, and experienced welders who want a reliable secondary helmet from an established brand. At around $138.41, it costs considerably more than the basic models already featured, and its viewing area is not as expansive as some oversized modern helmets. However, the appeal here is consistency, clarity, and simple operation rather than flashy features. The Miller Classic takes 3rd place because it offers a reassuring step up in build quality and everyday usability, making it a strong choice for anyone who expects to weld regularly and wants equipment they can trust. For 2nd place, the R Captain Graphic Auto-Darkening Helmet proves that practical protection does not have to look plain or cost a fortune. At around $33.99, it is aimed at hobby welders, beginners, and home workshop users who want modern convenience on a limited budget. The bold Skull and Flames design gives it plenty of personality, but the real value comes from the automatic lens, which darkens as soon as the arc is detected. That means less time lifting the hood, fewer awkward interruptions, and a better chance of keeping your torch exactly where it needs to be. The external shade control is another useful touch, since you can adjust the darkness without taking the helmet off, making it easier to switch between different jobs. It is suitable for common processes such as MIG, TIG, and stick welding, while the lightweight shell should feel more comfortable during longer practice sessions or weekend projects. The viewing area is not the largest in the ranking, and the graphic finish may be too flashy for users who prefer a more professional appearance. Even so, this helmet offers the kind of features that make welding feel smoother and less frustrating, especially for someone moving beyond a basic passive mask. With auto-darkening performance, adjustable settings, and a memorable design at a very accessible price, the R Captain earns 2nd place as one of the strongest budget-friendly choices in this lineup. And taking the number 1 spot is the YesWelder LYG-M800H, a well-rounded auto-darkening helmet that delivers the features most welders actually use at a price of around $49.97. What sets it apart is the oversized viewing area, which gives you a much clearer sense of the joint, your torch position, and the space around the workpiece. That wider view can make a real difference when you are welding larger panels, working in awkward positions, or simply trying to improve accuracy without constantly moving your head. The lens darkens automatically when the arc starts, while the adjustable shade, sensitivity, and delay controls let you fine-tune the response for different materials and welding styles. It also includes a grinding mode, so you can clean up a weld or prepare a surface without switching to separate face protection. The True Color lens produces a more natural view than older green-tinted filters, helping reduce eye strain and making details easier to follow. Its solar-assisted power system adds everyday convenience, and the included replacement lenses provide extra value from day one. The headgear may require some adjustment to find the most comfortable fit, but that is a minor trade-off considering the overall package. For beginners, home fabricators, and regular workshop users, this YesWelder combines visibility, versatility, and affordability better than the other options in the ranking, making it the strongest all-around choice and a very deserving number 1.